What's going on? It's your boy DJ TLM. Welcome to the Saturday sessions right here on DJ TLM TV. These are interactive scratch sessions, so we're going to scratch together. I'm going to scratch for 4 bars. After that, it's your turn. Now, you can either emulate what I do or just do your own scratches. That's perfectly fine. After your 4 bars, I come in, I do a new pattern, then it's your turn again, and we go back to back to back to back. It's all about having fun. It's all about having some variety in that practice session. So before we begin, if you'd rather practice without me, you can also download the beat. The link will be in the description box down below. There's one important thing I need to mention for all my controller DJs out there. For the session today, I'll be using this controller right here, the Pioneer DDJ Rev 1 controller for Serato. These are normal jog wheels. They're not motorized, but they added markers on the jog wheels. If I'm using play, if I'm playing the song, playing the sound, you see every time I bring it back, that marker is in a different place and you hear the sound there. So the marker doesn't make sense if you're playing. If you're not in play mode and you hit a cue point, so my sound now begins here. If I move the sound forward and I bring it back, it will always be at that point. So actually, if you're using your controller and you're not pressing play, for scratching, a marker like that could actually work. But as soon as you press play, that marker makes no sense at all. If you're new to this channel, or if you've watched before but you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing because it really helps out the channel. Enough talking, let's start scratching. So that's it for this edition of the Saturday Sessions. I hope you had fun. Replay it, do different scratches, or replay it to try the same scratches. Now, if you want to know more about the patterns that I do, make sure you check out my new series, my new tutorial series for beginner scratchers called The Breakdown, where I break down patterns that I perform in these Saturday Sessions videos. So again, have a lot of fun, enjoy the scratch sessions, and I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.